Nerve supply of digestive system is divided for ease of study. Okay, for facilitation of study, we are dividing the nerve supply into the two categories. Okay, two categories. The first category is called as it's called as the intrinsic nerve supply. Okay, another one is called as the extrinsic nerve supply. Extrinsic nerve supply. In the introductory part of this lecture, I said that there is a one unique kind of you can say the neurons are present, a group of neurons are present, and that is about the intrinsic supply, intrinsic nerve supply. Fine. And extrinsic nerve supply, as the name suggests, it is from external, means it is not a, you can say, present in the stomach. The control center is present somewhere else. Where? Inside the brain. Very good. So it is the central nervous system control, and it is GIT on brain. Okay, GIT on brain. So intrinsic nerve supply, it is called as the enteric nervous system. Okay, it is called as the enteric nervous system. Okay, now about the extrinsic nerve supply, you probably know that the GIT motility is controlled by the autonomic nervous system. You know that your smooth muscle is not a voluntary muscle, isn't it? A skeletal muscle are voluntary muscle. You can move your finger, you can move the whatever organ where the smooth muscles are, you can say, organized, present. But you cannot move those organs where the smooth muscles are present, isn't it? So smooth muscles are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Okay, it is controlled by the autonomic nervous system, and you know that autonomic nervous system have the two branches called as called as, very good, it's called as the sympathetic supply, sympathetic peripheral nervous system, as well as the parasympathetic supply. Got the point? So whenever you talked about the nerve supply of GIT, okay, nerve supply of digestive system, you should keep in mind that there are two different type of nerve supply are present if we talked about the digestive system. The one type is called as the extrinsic supply. It is GIT on neurons, okay, and it is called as the enteric nervous system. Now, the uniqueness about this enteric nervous system is that it is not under the control of extrinsic nerve supply. They are independent. You should make a start point and write it down. It is a independent, it is a independent nervous system. Okay, so that's why it is also called as the small brain of GIT. It is also called as the little brain. How beautiful is name, no? Little brain of GIT. Got the point? No problem. And about the another supply is the extrinsic nervous system, which is supplied by the sympathetic and parasympathetic supply. No problem. So it is about the nerve supply. Now let's take the intrinsic nerve supply and describe it in detail. So before describing this intrinsic nerve supply, I would like to discuss about the types of GI motility, because when we first deal with this type of GIT motility, we understand, okay, this is how much type of GIT motility is present. Then we will pay our attention and we will try to understand that how this GIT motility is, you can say, mediated by these nerve supply. Because the function of this nerve supply is what? The function of nerve supply is what? The function is, first function is about the GIT motility. It regulates the GIT motility. Fine. Now, the second function is enzymatic secretion. Whenever these neurons fire, they stimulate the glands, they stimulate the interstitial gland, okay, and that gland they secrete some of the digestive hormones. Okay, digestive hormones. This is done by both the system, parasympathetic and sympathetic, as well as the enteric nervous system. So one function is GIT motility, another is the glandular secretion. Glandular secretion. Got the points? So first we will discuss about the GIT motility types, and then we will go in detail. After the break, we will go in detail to understand about how this nervous system, which we are referring as the unique nervous system, little brain of the GIT, how they are exactly working. Okay, what's their you can say role in the controlling of this GIT function. So first deal with the types of GI motility. Till here you have any doubt? Yeah? If you have doubt, comment down. We will like to answer your queries, answer your doubt.